If you're wondering how you can set up your voicemail greeting, here's how to quickly do it. First, open the phone app on your device. Next, tap on voicemail found on the lower right-hand corner of your screen. From here, go ahead and tap greeting found on the upper right hand and choose on which phone number you're going to set up the greeting. Now, since I have two, I'll go ahead and choose secondary. So right now, there are two options for the greeting. The first one is the default.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
All right, so that is the default. Now, if you want to make your personalized greeting, you can go ahead and tap custom and then tap the record button and just record whatever you wanted to say. Like,
Hi, this is Florante. I'm away from my phone right now, but your call matters to me. So leave your name, number, and a quick message, and I'll call you back as soon as I can.
then once you're done, you can go ahead and play it back.
Hi, this is Florante. I'm away from my phone right now, but your call matters to me. So leave your name, number, and a quick message, and I'll call you back as soon as I can.
And if you're satisfied with your recording, you can go ahead and tap the blue check mark on the upper right-hand corner. All right, so that's it. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.